Hi, I'm Andrew Baker, and this is a direct sales video for my winter Seascapes long exposure photography course. So if it's not what you're looking for, no worries, feel free to click away. In this course, I take you with me on location to Flinders, Victoria, capturing some dramatic winter sunrises and some moody afternoons. Essentially, different weather conditions are captured. You'll learn how to create that silky water effect, that powerful seascapes, by using long exposures. I operate with simple gear, and it's solid real-world techniques. There's no fluffs, there's no overwhelm at all in this. You'll see exactly the exposures that I'm using, you'll see the gear that I'm using, the filters I'm using, and then you'll see me not only create the image, but I'm then also enhancing the images using the basic JPEGs straight out of camera, and I'm putting them into the Windows Photo app. There's no fancy software, it's all very, very simple, very accessible, just solid, repeatable results. If you were to come to me individually for training, it would be over $2,700 for the coaching program. Normally, this course is $97. Today what I'm doing is there's a timer involved, so it's for a limited time, but you can grab it for just $27. And also you'll be getting the Sydney Harbour bonus course. Now, this course is also long exposures, light trails, and panning techniques. This in itself is worth $97, and it's included free for now. And of course, there is absolutely the no hassles, 30-day money back, no questions asked guarantee. Any dramas, you just send me an email, refund the money, no dramas. But this is all for a limited time offer. So it's when the timer hits zero, the price just simply goes back to the $97. So here's what you get. You get the full access to the Winter Seascapes long exposure course, as well as full access to the Sydney Harbour bonus course. Now, normally the crazy deal is $97, which is a crazy deal. It's just fantastic. But at the moment, until that timer hits zero, I'll leave a link in the description which will take you to the page, and it's yours for just $27. And attached to this as well is the full money back guarantee. No stress, no dramas whatsoever. If you're not happy for any reason, send me an email, money back. I'll now walk you through exactly what's inside the course so you can see it for yourself before you decide. Once you've joined, you'll get an email, and on that link you'll be sent to a login page, but before you can log in, you'll need to create your own password. Use the password that you've created, and then you'll be taken to this page. Once you've logged in, this is what it will look like. This is what you'll see. When you join, you're not just getting access to the full Seascapes long exposures, but you're also getting full access to the Capturing Sydney Harbour. And we'll talk about that a bit later, but let's see what happens next. You come along and you open up this course bundle, and as you can see, you get these two choices. At the top, you get the Winter Seascapes, the long exposures, and the other one is Capturing Sydney Harbour with long exposures, panning, and then also I've just recently added to that as well, which is to do with light trails. But let's come back to the Winter Seascapes. We'll open that up. This is filmed on a laptop, and it'll be very similar on the desktop obviously, but also if you're on a mobile, all the same information is there, it's just a different layout. The format's very straightforward, very clean, very accessible. Got the welcome video, got the Capturing Seascapes, my vision, a bit about what I'm aiming for, what my vision is around the whole course. You get the module headings, and as an example with the gear, you press the module heading, and then depending on how many lessons are in that module, now in this case it's 2 videos, and that's all about the gear. I go through all the gear that I'm using, with some tips as well about how I go about using it for everything that I use to create this course. And then we move over to the module with the Capturing Seascapes on location. Now, It was all captured over a period of approximately 2 years, mainly during the winter months, all around the small village of Flinders in Victoria, Australia. So some were captured all in the one trip, and some were captured on different trips over a period of 2 years. Then we move on. This is a 3-day trip, and I deliberately, if we click on the module here, this module has 10 different videos joining me on the trip where it's all shot in sequence. It's not like I'm waiting and only filming in spectacular light. This also covers what's it like in drizzle when perhaps it's not ideal what I was after, what I was intending. But on this 3-day trip, it's just simply whatever presented, I'm going about creating images. Not only will you be on location with me as a capture of the seascapes, but also go through the process of adjusting these images. Here's an example of the setup. This is inside the Windows Photo app, so it's free with Windows. And I've deliberately kept this super simple. I want it to be accessible. So we're using JPEGs on the Windows Photo app. Now, for a lot of people who might say, well, this is not very sophisticated compared to what is available. I'm keeping it simple, but do not be deceived how powerful a few adjustments can really give these images that extra pop. It really is quite amazing. You're essentially watching over my shoulder as I adjust and give those images that I've chosen that extra pop. So that's all part of this course as well. The whole goal was to put together a portfolio of images, and you can either download it, you can either scroll down below and go through them all, or you can actually download the portfolio here. So this is the What Next module, and I go through elements of gaining inspiration from your seascapes, as well as I go through in a separate video here, going through different steps to enhance your seascapes. Bonus content. This is made up of downloads, and it's including my workflow, how I go about it all, and again you can go down and read it all, or you can download. As an example, this is what one of the downloads looked like for all around composition. We've got all these various bonus downloads which give clear information. In the course, I'm not doing multi-image blending. None of the images in this course, but I am giving you this reference as an introduction to it if you wanted to take it further and use that. Same with the histogram. I do work a bit with the histogram in the course, but not a lot. But there's a guide for it if you want to work with it more. I also include this bonus video of the 2-camera setup. That was shot on a separate trip, but you find it over here on the left under the bonus videos. Essentially the core of what is inside the winter seascapes. As I say, you've got the 3-day consecutive, as well as a series of videos shot on location, shot over a period of a couple of years, mainly in the winter months. And also you've got the editing, the straightforward editing of the JPEGs in the Windows Photo app to adjust and give those images that extra oof. So not only do you get all that, but now we come along, we've completed the winter seascapes long exposure and go, okay, what else have we got? So we come up here and click on courses, which brings us back to the original bundle. And we click again on the open of the bundle, and this time instead of clicking on the winter seascapes here, we're going to click on the Capturing Sydney Harbour long exposures and panning. This opens up a whole nother complete course, and in this course we're getting the long exposure series. Again, it's a very similar layout, shot early morning. This was also shot on a couple of different trips to Sydney. 3 separate trips in total, but 2 for the long exposures and the panning. This is the second video. If you click on, again, it's the same principle. We've got the module headings. You click on the module headings, and then we've got here the 2 different lessons, part 1, part 2 of Sydney Harbour panning. With the long exposures, you've got 1, 2, 3 different lessons, 3 different locations. This is the one which includes also the arrival. And then got downloads, including a couple of challenges and also the comprehensive guide to panning, which can be either read on the page or you can again open it up as a download, which you can save to your own computer, whatever you'd like to do. As always, there is a no questions asked, no hassles, money back guarantee. I only want happy students. I don't want people in there that are going, oh, this isn't what I thought and I'm not all that chuffed. As a result, I'm offering this 30-day money back guarantee. There's no pressure, there's no stress at all. You just send me an email saying, hey, thanks very much, it's not for me. I'll give you a full refund, no questions, no hassles. So if you'd like to join me on this journey of long exposure seascapes, or if you'd like to join me for the capturing the whole Sydney Harbour experience, just click the button below and I'm super excited to see you in the course.